For billions of years, humanity has looked to the skies and wondered, are we alone? Today, we may be a step closer to an answer. NASA reports that a rock sample from Mars holds the clearest hint yet of possible ancient life on the red planet. Since its February 2021 landing, the Perseverance rover has roamed Jezero Crater, a 28-mile-wide basin that likely housed a lake more than 3 billion years ago. The rover's prime mission is to hunt for biosignatures, traces of past life preserved in rock. In July 2024, while driving along the rim of an ancient river valley called Naret Vavalis, Perseverance spotted an arrowhead-shaped boulder. Scientists nicknamed it Sheyava Falls. Its surface was mottled with tiny dark poppy seeds and larger leopard spots. Intrigued, the team drilled a core the size of a piece of chalk, sealed it in a titanium tube, and labeled the sample Sapphire Canyon. After a year of onboard testing, the sample's story is tantalizing. The rock is mudstone, fine-grained sediment that on Earth excels at locking in biological traces. Bright veins of calcium sulfate prove water once seeped through it, and the rover's instruments detected organic compounds, the carbon-based building blocks of life. The real headline, though, is the leopard spots. Analysis shows they're packed with iron and phosphate-rich minerals, especially vivianite and greigite. On Earth, those minerals often form when microbes consume organic matter and use rust and sulfate in place of oxygen, leaving vivianite and greigite as metabolic waste. That leaves two broad explanations. Ancient Martian microbes thrived in Jezero's wet sediments, altering the rock and creating the spots we see today. Or unusual chemistry minus life produced the same patterns. But that scenario usually demands high heat or other conditions absent from this rock. After extensive peer review, scientists have found no purely geological model that fits all the data as neatly as the biological one. As acting NASA Administrator Sean Duffy put it, this could be the clearest sign of life we've ever found on Mars. Perspective matters, though. These findings are potential biosignatures, not proof. Perseverance carries remarkable instruments, but they're working at their absolute limits. Definitive answers require the Sapphire Canyon core to reach Earth, where far more powerful laboratories can examine it grain by grain. That return trip is the mission's biggest hurdle. The Mars Sample Return Campaign, tasked with ferrying Perseverance's sealed tubes home, faces budget overruns and delays. Once slated for the early 2030s, the samples may not arrive until 2040, and the price tag has swollen to an estimated $11 billion. The entire plan is now under review. So, the ultimate answer to one of humanity's oldest questions sits in a silvery tube on Mars, waiting. Whether it contains the fossilized breath of ancient microbes or an exotic chemical riddle, it holds a story only Earth-based science can fully tell. Until then, Perseverance and our curiosity keep watch over the red planet's secrets.